I did get some napkins if you need some napkins. Hey guys, so we're at a festival downtown. They got all kind of corn trucks for all kind of food trucks, all kind of just different stuff. It's really cool. We never been down here. This is our first time. And I just wanted to show you guys our experience. Okay, I'm finna take you. You wanna? All right, y'all. So this is. Hold on, let me wipe my camera so y'all can see.
Mom, I didn't get one wet.
Maybe. All right. So this is elote. This is elote. Scoot over, girl. And don't eat it all. This you got corn. This mommy nachos. This how good it is, y'all. I don't even want to share it with the kids.
It's so good. Now you can think about it after you go under the water. You can think about it. Huh?
Yeah. Hey, Ron, kill this corn. Let me see. He killed it, y'all. That's how good it is. That's how good it be. Okay, that's enough for you. You was not about to eat all my stuff.
I didn't eat all your stuff.
Wait.
I'll get the biscuit. Look.
Lick your hand. Yes, we got some. Look, y'all, come on. Move your hand. Hey, Vaughn, get one too.
Mom.
What? One more. Get on my face. I am.
I'm going to eat on that part right here.
I know, that's what I just did.
Mom. I'm going to eat my
Was it good?
right here.
Let's go see what else they got. Here, no, we're done. Wipe your hands.
This new stuff.
Wipe your hands. Yeah, this is your corn. You want to take a bite?
I'm going to eat that right. Mom.
That's why I told you to change your shirt. You always want to wear a white shirt.
Mom. Mom, can you go get wet now?
Hold this came out on that.
Mom, can you go get wet now?
Hold it right. You want to take a bite of your corn?
One.
Don't drop it.
Good side.
Take your lips. One more? Take one more bite, then let's go get something to drink. You can eat when we get home. Wait, here. Use this to wipe your mouth and stuff. Okay, Mom. Let's go get something to drink. Alright guys, so we are trying alligator bites for the first time. That's not salad, that's just little garnish. And then it comes with some, ooh, kind of sauce. It smells good. Okay, who want to try a piece first? Side, don't be touching all over pieces. You did? Try one, let me know how it tastes. Don't drip it everywhere. I heard it tastes like chicken.
That sauce good.
The sauce, I know it smells good. Let me see. I heard it was good. I heard alligator. I'm gonna get on my shirt. Duty, try the sauce. Don't drip it on me. You like it? Okay, I got a blueberry float. And we got some funnel cake fries. I don't know if these was worth $12, but okay. Yeah, get one. Eat. I bought this for all of us. Stay Mom! Oh my God! Oh my God! If you like funnel cake, you like funnel cake fries. You want another fry? Funnel cake fry. Bite it, girl. You scared me.
Why did you let my stuff?
Yes, so you have Papa alone. You just got that, did you like that float? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm about to take Messiah to the bathroom. Because everywhere we go, she gotta go to the bathroom always. Never fails. And then I guess we'll go see what else they got going on before we leave. Unless y'all ready to leave. Okay. Well, we go see if that corn, all you smell is that corn. Okay, so we gotta go find the bathroom now. Oh, drop my top. I already had that. Alright, guys, so we'll be back. Say cheese, Mom. Say cheese. Come on. All right.
Forever, Mom.
We had to take a bathroom break.
Yeah, get away. You're gonna fall.
Oh, cutie. Is this one like? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, children. Wherever we want to go.
Can we go get wet now?
Why you want to get wet? And you don't have nothing to get wet in. Come on, don't touch the rails. Too many germs. You don't have to. Just run through the splash. Run through it. Run through it. Run through one time. Woo! Okay, that's it. Run back. Nope, that's a big one. Don't go through the big one. Yeah, just put your feet in it. Your feet in your hands. That's it. You don't want to get in there. I know, that's a pretty dog. Oh, God, you know she don't. A couple more seconds, that's it. Don't get that wet. It turned off. Sorry, it's going to pop back on. It's going to come right back in your face.
It's going to hit her in her butt.
She couldn't help herself. She had to get wet. Let her have a little bit of fun. Don't get all wet. It got you. I want some of that Japanese hibachi.
That's not that.
Which one is
That's
it?
hibachi. Not even Japanese hibachi.
Then we,
Like
oh, I said this. Girl, don't get all wet, side.
that's hibachi. I think Japan.
Down there.
When we was rolling past.
Yeah, when we was riding by. Oh, I thought we was riding by down there and we seen it. Corn truck or taco truck. No ice. Get a water and put it up there so she can bring it up. Stop eating that. You don't know whose hand's been in there. Get the water so I can pay for it. Okay, bye. That's ours. Okay, thank you. Kayvon, get the bag. Okay. Can I get 3 waters? Yeah. Here. Hold this side. Hold it. It's okay. Thank you. All right. Let's go sit down, find somewhere to sit, try the taco. Or y'all want to go to the car now? Huh? Huh?
Go to where?
The car? Oh, you want to sit right here and try them? Come here. I don't know, but that, what's wrong? That, okay. Come here, son. Get your water and come here. Look at my baby. She always dancing. Ew. Well, step in. We should sit over there on that side. Come on. Get the food. Get your water. Come on. No, Messiah. Get down. Come on. This was so nice, guys. This was our first time being down here. How'd you get over here so faster?
I went over there.
What is that?
The road I saw was about to go.
Okay. Bring your water, mama. That's the rice and the beans. So we got 3 street tacos, 1 pulled pork, 1 chicken, and 1 steak. Don't put your hands all in it, Messiah. This is the rice and peas. And these are the street tacos. And that's how they look. And where our sauce at? Oh, it don't go with the sauce? Oh, I guess this is the sauce.
That's what I was asking.
Sit down, Messiah. Open your water. Hold your bottle of water so I can give you some water. No, you hold the bottle and let me twist it. Hold the bottle. Let me twist the top. Hold it with 2 hands. Be strong, girl. Hold it tight. Okay, drink some. Oh, gosh. Okay, man, try one now. Try a bite. What that smell like? Hot? Don't step in that, Messiah. Do not step in it.
4, 5.
All right, so we got some street tacos. I don't really care for these kind of. Me too. That's why I don't really care for these kind of street tacos. Messiah, sit your butt down. Nah, this is crap. Okay, eat these.
This one's mine. That's yours. That's mine. Yours?
You want to try one, Saul? We ain't get no pork rib. That's her water. What you put in her water?
I put nothing in her water.
Some of that food in here. That's why I didn't even want to try this. Every time I let you pick something, it'd be nasty. But we feel like trying different stuff. Hold it.
Mom, look. Let mommy.
Okay.
Mom, look. Let mommy. I'm just
This is so funny. Very tired.
It's not wet.
Shut up. Sit down, Messiah. Oh my goodness. Cover that up. And put it in the bag.
Why, y'all?
Because guess what? Why even put the top back on this sauce? It's gonna spill. Put the top back on. Oh my goodness. These kids got me cracking up.
Now my shoe is coming out.
Yeah, because your feet wet.
Oh, here, I got wet.
Mm-hmm. I'm glad you have fun.
I didn't get fun.
Let me take one more bite of this taco.
I didn't get fun.
It ain't all that, y'all, but Hey, I'm about to eat it. I ain't about to waste my $11, $13. Put some lime on there, you know what I'm saying? Messiah. Stop acting crazy. Okay, okay, man, cover it back up.
Mom, look at the bird standing there.
The bird?
That's the booty bird. Booty bird.
Did you have fun?
But you didn't let me have fun.
How did I let you have fun? Come over here now. Come on, get the dirt.
Okay, get that. Get it.
Get that bottle of water up.
Taylor, you dropped it. You ask me to do something, I'm not gonna do nothing for you. I'm good. I'm not.
Here, Messiah, get your water now. I don't care. Hold it. Hold it by the top like this. Hold it.
It's cold.
Come on.
Oh,
It wasn't that bad with the lime on it.
it's not bad.
You just had to put the lime on it.
Mom, can you go check on the
You gotta wait a second, okay? Because they're playing with it. So just hold on a second. Oh, sorry. Hold on a second. I know you gotta wait. Come on. They're almost done. See? You okay? Hush. If you don't be quiet now. Okay, I'm gonna show the girl how you gonna cry, baby. Come on, Clyde. She definitely is. We had a good time though, guys. This was our first time coming down here. And we'll probably come back again. I don't know if they do it like every Friday or what. But we definitely had a nice little time. Come on. Out the house. Oh, that's a little Hope soap shop. Messiah, be quiet now. Be quiet, please. All right, guys, so we are on our way home now. We had a good time. The kids and I, we enjoyed ourselves at our little festival. Food truck festival, I guess it was. Kind of like they had a little splash park, splash pad, so the kids got to get wet. And yeah, we just had a good time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you guys get notified every time we upload a video or go live. And yeah, subscribe, share. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.